I've got here a Meh Dai carrier, which I'm going to show you how to use. This is the Kaya Tai. It's an adjustable carrier. This is the hood. You can adjust the width of the waistband and the height of the panel with this little rope and these little adjustable ladder locks. That's very important to be able to do because baby carriers must fit the size of the baby. And I've adjusted this to the size of the baby I'm about to put in it. It's an apron style carrier, which means that the panel hangs straight down from the waistband, and I'm going to clip it on. My baby is going to sit inside a pouch. So my baby's bottom is actually going to end up here, not here. So I might choose to have my waistband a little bit higher up to make sure my baby's head stays here and not any lower down. So here I have my baby, and I'm just going to bring my baby down into the carrier. So you can see how baby's bottom is actually coming over the top of the waistband, and I smooth the panel at baby's back. And then I put each of these padded but very wide straps over my shoulder, and I do the same on the other side. So you can see how the height of the panel I can adjust to perfectly fit the baby that I have, and I want it to be just below their ears. There we go. Now I need to tighten the straps. I'm going to reach my hand and pull it and wiggle it to pull out any slack. And I'm just going to hold that comfortably like this. Then I'm going to reach around and do the same. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Gather off the fabric. So I've now got my two passes. I can either go over baby's leg, or I can go under baby's leg. I prefer going over because I like to be able to spread the straps later. Nice and snugly. Swap over, keep the tension. Then you go under baby's legs, and then you tie the knot behind you. You need to do a double knot. So I've now got my baby well supported from the knee pit up to the nape of the neck. Got lovely wide spreadable shoulders, and I've got this little hood here. Which I can use to put up and attach it into the buckles here if I want to make a little hood to protect my baby from the wind or the sun if I want to as well. Because I've crossed the straps over baby's leg, I can spread the fabric a little bit to give you a little bit of extra support across baby's bottom like this. That's particularly useful if you have a heavy child, one that just wants a little bit more support, or if you want to be able to widen the support across your older child's thighs for later. I really like the shoulder straps on this. They're very padded and very wide, which feels lovely.